Hey sleepers, Bob Munkle at the mattress headquarters inside the Furniture Mall. So we're going to discuss a couple of things about mattress warranties. Now I know it's your favorite topic because it certainly is mine, but I have a long history in the industry, 35 years, and I've seen it from multiple angles. So I kind of know the ins and outs on how to go about to determine whether or not you have a warranty issue, what's covered, what's not covered, and kind of the more or less the steps that you need to take and be aware of in order to make a valid warranty claim. So join me on this journey. I promise it'll be informative. So what's covered? Defects in materials and workmanship that did not result from misuse and abuse. So let's take a closer look at misuse and abuse and things that can affect your warranty coverage. First, there are things that we can do that will actually invalidate the warranty. It'll void the warranty. So taking off that white law label that's required to be there. If you remove that, no good, you're not going to have a warranty. Second, keep your receipt in a safe place where you can access it, because a warranty is only for original purchasers, all right? But there are other things too. So let's talk about acts of nature. So let's assume your roof was leaking and it poured water on your mattress. That's going to void your warranty. What about biological stains coming from humans or pets? That can also void your warranty. How about handling the mattress in a way that it's not designed? So maybe you're moving from one place to another and the move is like wrap up your mattress like a cigar. It's not designed for that. Well, that could ruin a mattress also. Oh, another thing too, like an infestation like bed bugs or something like that. Oh, big no-no. Always good to protect your mattress. So there are things that can happen that either we do or happen to the mattress externally that can actually void your warranty. Really just respect the integrity of the shape of the mattress over time, keep your receipt, keep that law label on it, and you should be good to go. In order to determine if you have a true warranty issue, well, first thing you need to do is you gotta have the people off the bed, strip the bed so you can see the mattress. You need to move the mattress off of the foundations or off of the adjustable base or platform bed. And you need to check what's below it. Because remember, a mattress will always take on the shape of whatever is below it. So if you're seeing something on the surface, the source of that may be below the mattress, and you always need to check that in advance. So the mattress is off, you're looking at your box springs, press down on them, make sure there's no indentations underneath or on your adjustable bed or on your slats or anything like that. So you've had your mattress for a period of time, months, years, whatever it may be, and it's covered under a warranty, and you're getting those kind of classic signs of wear. They're called in the industry a body indentation. So then the question is okay, how do you measure? How can you determine whether or not you got a legit body indentation that is warrantable? Now this one's new, it's in the showroom, so there's no indentation whatsoever. But let's assume it had an indentation. How would you measure it? And you need to take photographs of that measurement, okay? Because that has to be submitted for the warranty claim. So you're gonna need two people to do this. One to measure, the other one to take the photos. So be aware with that. So I have a straight edge. This could be, if it's a straight broomstick handle, it could be a yardstick, it could be a large level like this is. Now the straight edge should always be at the high point on one side, at the high point of the other, with the indentation in the middle. So let's assume we had an indentation like this. Okay, so what you would do is you would take your straight edge and you would bring it down to the lowest point of that indentation. I'm going to move my thumb so you can see it. And then that distance from the lowest point of a smooth top mattress to the bottom of your straight edge, that's the photo you're taking. That's the measurement you're making. And again, if it's a warrantable defect and they allow 1.5 inches and you measure 2 inches, okay, you want to send that in. If it's a 3/4 inch warrantable allowance and you're measuring 1 inch, 1.25 inches, you want to send that in. But if it's less than that, not a warrantable thing. So that's how you measure an indentation on a smooth top mattress. I'm going to move this to a quilted top mattress to show you how that's done. So now we've moved to a traditional quilted top mattress. Quilted top, you could see kind of the highs and the lows where it's quilted, okay? So we would never measure from the low, the quilted low, because even a new mattress, you might start off with an inch already, and it's new. It's never been used. So the way to measure a quilted top mattress or an indentation is you must measure the highest point. So for example, if I had an indentation, okay, I would not measure it like this in the lowest point. So I'm going to mimic an indentation. Let's assume we had an indentation like this. You'll notice I'm not going to go here. I'm going to go, let's call it over here. That's where you would measure it, because that should be a high point of the quilt. But simply put, that's how you're going to measure a quilted top mattress. And again, if it's warrantable at 3/4 of an inch and you're measuring an inch or more from the highest point of the quilt in your indentation to the low point of your straight edge, then that's something you would want to submit. If it's 1.5 inches, well, you're going to have to be looking at about 2 inches or more in order to put that in. But it's critical that you make these measurements properly. You take photos of it and you send it in with your warranty claim. So you've done all your work, you're ready to submit a warranty claim. So you've scanned in your receipt and all the photos, the law label, the measurements, all of that. Okay, and you're ready to go. So you're going to go to the website and you're going to submit a warranty claim, and it's going to prompt you for a few things. You know, who are you? How are we going to contact you? The nature of your complaint, and then you're going to be uploading these documents. Okay, you just follow the prompts and follow the checklist, and you got everything there. You're pretty much good to go. You can submit your warranty complaint. It'll be received on our end. We're going to begin to process that warranty complaint, and you'll be notified typically within 7 to 10 business days as the result of that. Be patient. We'll process your claim. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So you've submitted your warranty claim. You've uploaded all the documents. You're waiting a period of time of days. One of 3 things is going to happen. Either your warranty claim may not be valid for some reason. You'll get an explanation of that. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Or you might get a request for additional documents or additional documentation or something in order to further process that warranty claim. But if you've really just gone through the list and been pretty diligent about it, and you have a warrantable defect, you're going to get a warranty approval. So what does that mean? Well, you're typically going to have one of 2 scenarios. If the mattress that you purchased is still in effect, meaning the manufacturer is still making that mattress, then they can make arrangements to swap your current mattress with a new one. Now, be aware of 2 things. First, remember, there are prorated warranties and non-prorated warranties. So non-prorated warranties typically mean you'll get a 1-for-1 swap, same mattress, same size. A prorated warranty goes down in value each year of use, so you may be expected to pay a certain percent towards that new mattress. That's in the case of a prorated warranty. Now, what happens if you're in year 7 and your mattress for some reason shows this defect and you have a warrantable claim and that specific mattress is no longer made by the manufacturer? This happens. So typically you will be directed back into the store with your valid warranty claim, and then you will then be able to select the current mattress closest to your original mattress, but you may even also have an opportunity at that point to maybe upgrade to something different. And the credit you get from your original warrantable mattress would be used towards the new one. But in all cases, literally all cases, you, the customer, will always be responsible for any trucking and handling fees in order to bring out the new mattress to your home and to bring back the warrantable mattress. So you should always expect some level of charges. In the best case scenario, you're going to have delivery and handling fees to make this swap. Here at the Furniture Mall, we're sorry you are experiencing a problem, and we want to resolve that problem as quickly, efficiently, and in an unbiased way. We want you to be served. We want you to be thrilled. But just be aware, the warranty is a manufacturer's warranty, they do have certain requirements, they do have certain protocols that we as the retailer must follow in order to service you. So if you're experiencing any delays or frustrations, please know this is not what we want for you. We will work as quickly, as efficiently, and as unbiased as possible to resolve your warranty situation and really get you sleeping at your best. So thanks for your patience, and always be aware, at Furniture Mall, we care about how you sleep.